Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi is not working into your Windows. You can see my Wi-Fi is not working over here. You can see here there is no Wi-Fi icon available into my taskbar. So how are you going to fix it? It's very simple. You just need to come over into your search option and then you need to search for view network connection. You can see this option will be pops up, and if you click on that, they will redirect you to network connection Windows. And you can see that in my laptop there has two options called Ethernet and Wi-Fi. So you can see that the Wi-Fi is disabled showing over here. And now what you need to do, we just need to enable it. Just click on your right mouse button, and then here you will get an option called enable. So if you click on that, you can see it's enabling, and now it's enabled. And now we can see into my taskbar, the Wi-Fi icon is showing over here.